A lot of people try to crack their own necks. We don't crack things here in our office, we adjust them. You don't crack your carburetor, you adjust it. You don't crack your thermostat, you adjust it. One really good stretch if you're suffering from that neck pain is to get your hand, put it behind your back, open that chest up a little bit, give yourself a little tension, and push against that. That's gonna be a really good specific stretch. Hold that for 10 to 15 seconds, get a little pressure, and then hold it again. Do the same thing on the other side. Hands here, here, open that up. This is a really good stretch for that lower neck tension. The second best stretch I really like is actually, I call it the corner stretch. If you've been in the office any amount of time, you've heard it. Get into a corner, get your hands up in here, lean in and hold this open. That's actually gonna open your upper back area and avoid this and get more of this.